we go. Dixon dirt bike day. Got Ethan on the red one, Tyler behind him on the blue one, and Landon on number 3. Kids are crazy. Golly. Here it comes. Tyler, go! He's got a gray sweatshirt on that has turned dark gray because all the water that's slung up. And he's got these little boots on that are probably full of water because as soon as he hits a puddle, it funnels right up in the top of his boot. So, good thing he's not wearing his boots. Landon and Tyler. He's yelling, so, oh, we got a man down. That's his first crash today. That's why we wear dirt bike gear. Up and back on. Oh, we got another man down. Try to turn too sharp? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, is your hand hurting, buddy?
This part of it.
Oh, just your burn from the other day? All right. Huh? Alright, y'all want to say anything before I turn this video off?
Oh, no. Mom?
Hey, hold on. Stop. Good stop. Are you going to say anything before I turn this video off? I'm going to send it to your mom and dad. Are you having a good time?
Yeah, and guess what?
What?
Tyler did a mud slide one time.
A backslide?
Guess what I said? When he stood in the mud, he said, are you taking a mud bath?
A mud bath? That's funny. Well, I captured your first wreck on camera, okay? That was your first wreck falling over right there. Did you slide in the mud?
Yeah.
Yep. And what happened? Why do we wear dirt bike gear? So we can fall down and get right back up?
Yep.
That's right. So we got to stay safe. You want to say anything, Ethan? What?
If you ever ride a dirt bike in this backfield, it might be a little bit slippery when it's wet. And it's really fun when you go in the mud puddles.
That's right.
Oh, and guess what?
What?
When someone falls in the mud like Tyler did, I want to give them a helping hand to her.
Yeah, giving them a helping hand, huh?
Or you could do this. Why are you taking a mud bath?
Why are you taking a mud bath? All right, good job, guys.